another one.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Gaffney, or near Cowpens, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gaffney, Blacksburg, Grover, Earl, Cherokee Falls, Draytonville, Kings Creek, Kings Mountain, and Crowder's Mountain State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free.
These are in like the Western Carolinas now, so I don't know if they're gonna come over here.
Or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cleveland, North Carolina, and Cherokee, South Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains